Hello drivers, drivers' families, and everybody else. This is Barry with Christenson Transportation. Probably the last segment of our Safety Takes Priority videos that we do for the year, getting ready to wind up the year, and we want to make sure that it's safe. We've had an awesome year for safety. We went over a year without a chargeable DOT accident, over 20 million miles without a chargeable DOT accident. So we don't want to jeopardize any of that. So sometimes things that we do are based on opinion, and sometimes they're based on facts. 3 of the worst holidays as far as accidents: Memorial Day weekend, number 3; 4th of July weekend, number 2; very worst holiday, New Year's Eve. So just a couple facts to show you how serious it is. In 2019, there were 469 accidents that resulted in fatality on New Year's Eve. 64% of those accidents were alcohol related. 7% of all auto accidents in the United States happen on New Year's Eve. That's pretty alarming numbers. You cut out about 10 of those days, you don't have any accidents or fatalities. So Christenson has decided that we're going to park our little selves somewhere safe and avoid all this. So from 10 p.m. on New Year's Eve to 4 a.m. on New Year's Day, we do not want one single Christenson vehicle on the road. We want to avoid being in the middle of one of these accidents. They're going to happen. 7% of the accidents in the year are going to happen on that day, on that night, during that time. So we're going to err on the side of safety. No load's that important that we can't wait a little bit longer. So have a safe New Year's. Watch out for everybody, and let's live to truck another year. Let's not put our neck out there for nothing. So once again, thanks for everything you do. I've had a great year for safety, and let's jumpstart the next one by having a great New Year's Eve. So from where the truckers truck and safety takes priority, thanks for watching and being at Christenson Transportation.